In this video, we will find the logarithm of 25 when the base is root 5. To do this, at first we will express the number 25 as a power of root 5. We know that 25 is same as 5 square. Now we can write this 5 as root 5 square, and again we have whole square. Now we know that this can be rewritten as root 5 to the power 2 times 2. We have to multiply the powers. So this is same as root 5 to the power 4. As 25 is root 5 to the power 4, we can rewrite this logarithm as logarithm of root 5 to the power 4 with base root 5. Now using the properties of logarithm, this 4 comes before logarithm. That means we can write it as 4 times log root 5 with base root 5. Now using the rule of log of a with base a is equal to 1, this is equal to 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the logarithm of 25 with base root 5 is equal to 4, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.